Good morning again from Colombo. Today I will make you a small tutorial on how to get from Colombo to Kandy, and after that I'm trying to go to see the elephants at Pinnawala, if that's the right pronunciation, to the elephant sanctuary that we have there. So instead of using your money on expensive road trips that can get quite expensive, especially if they are private or so, today I'm going to show you how to get there in less than $40, I think. So as you can see, I am at the train station here in Colombo, and I booked online a train ticket to Kandy. It's 2,000 rupees on each way, so around 4,200 with some kind of tax. So that's like, I don't know, $15 more or less. So it's very, 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 very cheap. And the entrance to temples or to the elephant sanctuary or other things that we can do there, you can buy them directly from there, so there won't be any other hidden taxes. So overall it's going to be very cheap. So the train leaves now at 5 in the morning. I think it's 5 in the morning, almost 6 actually. 5 minutes till 6 it seems. Okay, and we have the train that will get us back to Colombo at around 4 in the afternoon. So this is I will show you a bit. As you can see, many people are waiting for the train that takes us to Kandy. This is the main station in Colombo. I think that they are announcing the train now, so I'm going to try to get a bit back, sorry, because it's full of people already. To show you how the train looks here in Colombo, I never was inside a train in Sri Lanka yet, so this is my first time as well. I am a virgin actually, so thank you. Okay, so just arrived in Kandy, and now I'm trying to get the bus to the Elephant Orphanage. I have no idea at the moment where should I go, but I will update you in a moment. So I was looking if there's a train to Pinnawala, but I'm not really seeing it. Maybe here. No, I think this is something else actually. Anyway, and going out. So I found a guy that wanted to take me with a tuk-tuk to Pinnawala and back with 6,000 rupees, which is quite okay, I think. But first I want to check the buses as well, because I saw here some buses, and I'm going to ask if any of them are going to the orphanage, sanctuary, or how do you call it? Hi there, bus to Pinnawala? To Pinnawala, bus?
Pinnawala.
Yeah, is there a bus? I will ask, thank you. Okay. Hello, sorry, bus to Pinnawala? Is there a bus? Yeah, is there a bus?
You go to Pinnawala.
Yeah, to the elephant orphanage.
You
Is
go
there
to Bogambar bus stand.
bus stand?
Yeah.
And when is it? Bus stand.
This side, Bogambar bus.
Okay, on the other side. Okay, thank you. I will check. So apparently there is a bus on the other side, but this is the other side. I mean, it's not. He said bus stand, but yeah. I have no idea how bus stand. Let me check the buses real quick. But the deal with the tuk-tuk was okay as well, because it was actually cheap. But I would like a bus, if possible. So let's see how we cross the street, because there is a different road that takes where you can find the bus to Pinnawala. But it's complicated to cross the street here. As you can see, it's very, very, very crowded today. But we like crowded. Okay. So, on the other side of the road, wherever that is. Okay, let's try, let's go. Hopefully we won't die. Come on. Good. Woo, shit. Okay. I haven't died, it's okay. So this is quite dangerous, it seems. Alright. Bad decisions, making bad decisions. But that bad decisions are fun usually, right? So it doesn't really matter. So I think we are on the right path. Just around the corner we should see a different bus station. I hope so. And we are looking for the bus that goes to Colombo. And the guy told me that I should stop at Pinnawala. So maybe that's the way. So I think I found the bus station. I think that this is the one. Let's see if we can cross the street, because it's really an adventure to cross the street here. So now let's see if we can find the bus. Hello, bus to Pinnawala Orphanage Center. That first one. Excellent, thank you. I might have found the bus. Let's see. There's no one around. Hello. Hi. Okay. The bus looks interesting. I have no idea if this is the one. So indeed, it seems that this is the bus that goes to Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. So I have business class seats in the first row. Okay. So let's see what happens now. Okay, so the bus just dropped me here in Pinnawala. I'm trying to search for a tuk-tuk. Oh, by the way, the ride was 175 rupees, so it's like half a dollar, sorry, or something like that. So it's very, very, very cheap. Okay, so I found a tuk-tuk. Yeah, tuk-tuk, and we're going to the Elephant Orphanage. It's around a few kilometers away. I don't know exactly how much, but we're going to see. So now we are right here at the Elephant Orphanage in Pinnawala. This is the entrance. So as you can see, the road here is very, very cheap. So around 4,000 rupees with a train, then 175 rupees with a bus, then you have to take a tuk-tuk. They will try to scam you a bit, but I am in a hurry, so I gave him 500 rupees. Actually, the normal price is around 200 probably. So now let's see what's inside. So now I have reached the place where the elephants are bathing, right here in this river that we are going to see in a bit. There is a nice cool restaurant as well here where you can have something to drink while you are looking at the elephants. I will try to get a bit closer so you can see them as well. So this is a river where they come and drink each day. So we have there 2 elephants and many over there. Try to get a bit close. So here they are. So that's it for now. I will end the video here and see you next time.